Hi guys, today we want to talk to Sasha, who have got through PPO at Kotak
Yeah.
and prepared 1 month for the CAT exam and 1 month for the GMAT exam
Yeah.
also. तो यार आप क्या कौन सी चक्की का आटा खाते हो यार कि एक महीना पढ़ के तुम्हारा एग्जाम निकल जाता है, यहाँ पब्लिक सालों साल लगी रहती है. सो we'll talk about both the exams, GMAT.
Okay.
Why
Yeah.
GMAT also I want to ask that question.
Yeah.
Because that's first thing that clicked in mind. CAT 85 ठीक है मान लिया, लेकिन GMAT क्यों दिया? तो ठीक है, let's talk about the CAT first.
Yeah.
Now we got 1 month remaining for the CAT exam. So what I should do so that I can cross a decent mark, 85-90% like मेरा touch हो जाए.
So like I would say first give a mock so that you know where you are standing.
Correct.
After that wherever you know you work on that first and उसके बाद लास्ट ईयर के पेपर्स और मॉक एग्जाम्स बहुत हेल्प करते हैं.
यार
like
ये दो चीज़ें
doing
कर
that.
लो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा यार.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
यार देखिए पेपर नहीं 1 साल लगता है कैट निकालने में यार. 1 साल पहले पब्लिक टाइम पास ही करता है. इंडियन स्टूडेंट स्टडी टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑलवेज.
Yeah, that's true.
So if you open up last 5 year का पेपर, you can understand what kind of questions are coming and give a few timed mocks so that you have a
Yeah.
timer in front of you and then prepare for that. And CAT 85% time. Then why GMAT? जब CAT हो गया, obviously CAT का रिजल्ट बाद में आता है. So why GMAT?
So I had the time and I also thought कि after coming here, after doing my first MBA, if I want to do another MBA abroad, GMAT का score काम आएगा. So I thought I'd use that 1 month to prepare. That knowledge might even work in flames. So I thought why not give another exam.
So GMAT you gave from the perspective that in future you want to do a second MBA
Second
as well.
MBA, yes.
Great. So this is a trend which is going on here. A lot of people do second MBA. Even I did my second MBA. So my friend went to abroad. He went to abroad for his second MBA. So in Seattle. So but उसको उतना पैकेज नहीं मिला because he wanted to come back to India.
Yeah.
यार तुम बाहर जाए तो वहीं रहना यार, तू वापस
Yeah,
क्यों आ रहा
that's
है? तो इतना पैसा खर्चा करके, करोड़ रुपए खर्चा करके if you come back. So then I took a call कि नहीं यार चुपचाप इंडिया में MBA करो.
Yeah.
So that's a better option. So then I did my executive management from IIM Ahmedabad. So yeah, the second degree you can go for that. So
Yeah.
we can talk about that in detail. I can talk about that why it's important. So but we'll stick to the topic. So GMAT दी आपने CAT दी, so you applied to this college.
Yeah.
So what was your main factor why you got selected in the PPO? So we're talking about now second part of the interview where PPO के लिए आपने ऐसा क्या किया वहाँ पे, क्या जादू चलाया आपने?
So
That within 2 months, 1 month again in 2 months of internship, they
Yeah.
liked you.
So like in Kotak, my main job was to understand the product that they gave and make creatives of it so that the advisors go ahead and pitch that to the clients. तो मैंने जब फ्लेम में पढ़ा तो यहाँ पे आके मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मेरा मार्केटिंग और मेरा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्किल्स, क्रिएटिव स्किल्स बहुत अच्छा है. सो व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर माय इंटर्नशिप, वहाँ पे मैंने अपने क्रिएटिव स्किल्स यूज़ किए. मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत प्रेजेंटेशन बनाए थे तो थोड़ा हैंग मिल गया था मेरे को. तो वहाँ जाके प्रेजेंटेशंस और क्रिएटिव्स जब मैंने बनाए, सो दे लाइक्ड इट सो मच. दे लाइक, सो दे एक्चुअली सेड दिस टू मी दैट उनका जो मार्केटिंग टीम है उसके जितना है उससे अच्छा मैंने बनाया. एंड दे आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू यूज़ इट पैन इंडिया, like the creatives that I have made, so they are going to give me credits for that as well.
Wow.
So जब यहाँ पे like उससे पहले मैंने नहीं बनाए थे creatives इतने. So in Flame when I started the marketing aspect, I really liked it and I think वही मैंने वहाँ पे use किया which got me the PPO.
Superb. And they can't tell us the amount, how much they paid. So average is 10.7 lakh. So I'll just stick to that only. So the average package of this college is around 10.7, 11.7.
Yeah.
11.7 lakhs. So this is a kind of a package you can get once you get a decent score. So of course, okay, you have to study यार. So this video का main purpose is कि यार 1 month में you can do it.
Yeah,
So you got 1
definitely.
month का time. Let's work hard. Let's crack the CAT exam. Get a decent percentile, 85-90 percentile. So you can end up in a good college where there are opportunities, good companies coming on campus also. Because the moment students think ना कि मेरा IIM नहीं होने वाला, they start feeling demotivated. They start losing hope कि मेरे को देना ही नहीं exam.
And especially when बहुत end आ जाता है, they feel कि अभी time ही नहीं बचा है. But I think
Correct,
even
हाँ,
if you
it's too
use
late,
that
हाँ.
little much of time to do previous papers to get an idea कैसे questions पूछते हैं, even that could really help them.
Right. So there are two kind of students. One who have been studying for complete 1 year but still not getting good marks. तो आप उल्टा पे आ जाओ. Start giving mocks. Mocks is like a kick.
Yeah.
So you give a mock, you will always identify few topics where you're not scored.
Yeah.
कि यार ये मुझे टॉपिक नहीं, मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
So if you can work on that topic, you can survive. We have 30 days का time. Let's find out 30 topics and you can improve.
Yeah,
आराम से हो सकता है. See, obviously you can't become 99.99 unless you are from IIT or some big
Yeah.
names.
But you can definitely reach
Correct.
a good
You can reach a
score.
good college. So from the interview point of view, for joining the college also and for the Kotak as well, any advice you like to give to students कि यार for the interview person point of view, यार अगर तुम ये कर सकते हो, so this helped you a lot for cracking the interviews.
So I think if you have done some work that you're very confident about, when they ask the first question, tell me about yourself, tell the things that you want to talk about. So क्या हो जाता है जब मैं उनको पहले ही पेपर पे दे दूँ कि ये चीज़ें मैंने की है, so they can only ask questions about the things that मैंने किया है.
Correct.
So if I'm confident about them, my answers are going to be so good, they are going to like really like me. So I think when they asked me, tell me about yourself, I pitched all the things that I was really
You've
good
done
at.
right.
तो मेरा इंटरव्यू उसी के बारे में था,
Correct.
and yeah, I could really answer the questions well.
Correct. It can be not just about your studies or work experience. It can be about
Yeah.
anything. It can be about your
Anything.
interest. It can be maybe if you're into stock market,
Yeah,
you can
so
talk about
even
that.
like in my Flame interview, I had read my psychology of money before giving the interview, and I spoke about it, and then they used that book to ask me questions, and I really answered the questions very well. So like even that is other than
They were
studies.
impressed, correct.
But they were very impressed. They were like, kabhi, like they didn't hear anyone talk about money and psychology at the same time. So that really got me
Wow, right.
in.
So you don't need to know everything. Even if
Yeah.
you know less, but you need to know good
Know
about it.
that,
You need to
yeah.
answer the question कि book का author कौन है, वो तो पता होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
नहीं तो
मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि बुक क्या थी, कैसी थी,
Right,
and anything
correct,
that you
correct.
got out of the book.
correct. Great, yeah. So all the best.
Thank
and
you.
hopefully you do well in your career, and
Thank you
hopefully
so
see you
much.
abroad somewhere
Yeah, for
for
sure.
second MBA.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.